Me, can you focus on me?
In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how I achieved these natural looking mini twists. I wanted to recreate this natural protective style that I saw on Pinterest, but my hair wasn't long or thick enough, so I found the perfect method and hair extension to add both volume and length to my hair to do so. If you want to see what I used and how I did it from start to finish, then keep on watching. Thank you so much to Queen Virgin Remy here for sponsoring today's video. They were kind enough to send me 5 packs of their 22-inch Afro Kinky bulk human hair in the color natural black. No, the quality and texture of this hair was great, but I especially love that this hair came pre-stretched. It made the hair so much easier to work with. You can literally use this hair straight out of the pack, and I just really appreciated that. The hair was soft, true to length, and the texture, as you can see, is just perfect for 4B 4C natural hair. The link to this hair and their website will be in the description box below, so make sure you guys check that out. Like I said before, you can use this hair straight out of the pack, but because of how I wanted my twist to look, I did prep the hair a bit. I used some water and my detangling brush to detangle the hair, and you can see the difference. The curls are more defined and it stretches the hair more, so you get even more length to work with. But like I said, this is optional. I went ahead and did my first 4 rows off camera, and my twists were looking great. They were exactly how I wanted, really fluffy and bouncy. This is about the amount of hair I use to start each twist, and I used the knotless method to start my twist, so I'd split the hair into 3 smaller pieces like this. If you don't know how to start a knotless braid, don't worry, I'll show you guys another really easy method later on in the video. But with the knotless braid method, I started off by adding 2 pieces of hair and braiding down about an inch. Then I add my 3rd piece of hair, making sure to twist both strands tightly before wrapping them around each other. So basically I did a rope twist initially. Once the 3rd piece is properly secured, I spray with some water, detangle, add a bit of leave-in conditioner, and then I do a regular 2-strand twist. I slowed this part down to show you guys exactly how I'm twisting. I'm simply wrapping both strands around each other, and I'm not twisting or twining the strands as I do so. And I'm just going to do that all the way to the end. I did the rest of my hair off camera, but I just wanted to show you guys what the twist would look like if you use the hair straight from the pack without prepping it the way I did. Just in case you're like, girl, that's too many steps, I don't want to do all that, I just want to do some regular twist. I want to show you guys that the twist still comes out really nicely if you don't do it exactly the way I did it. So I already showed you guys my method. I start off doing a knotless braid with 2 pieces of hair. Then once I secure the 3rd piece of hair, I add some water, detangle to help define the curls, add some leave-in conditioner so that the twist dries with some moisture, and then I do a regular 2-strand twist all the way down. You can see my twist comes out fluffy, bouncy, and it feels really soft and moisturized. It doesn't feel dry against my fingers. Now this is me using the hair straight from the pack. I still went ahead and detangled a bit because it's loose here and you want to make sure that all the hair strands are aligned, otherwise the twist won't look neat. Once again, I start off using the knotless braid method and adding the 3rd strand the same way I did in all the other twists. The difference is I'm not adding water and I'm not detangling before twisting. I still added a bit of conditioner, but again, this is optional. And then I did the 2-strand method all the way to the end. So these are the twists side by side, and you guys can clearly see that the difference is not a lot. My method definitely makes it a bit longer, fluffier, bouncier, and it feels a lot softer, but you can still get a really nice twist without doing all that. I was just really specific about how I wanted my twist to turn out, but now that you see the comparison, you can use the method that is best for you. And this is the finished look, guys. I really love how natural looking these mini twists were. I got so many compliments and almost everyone thought that this was all my natural hair. So this style is a great way to add some volume and some length to your natural hair. The hair was super lightweight. It honestly felt like I had no extensions in for the entire time I wore this style. I forgot to count how many twists I had in total, but I know I did 11 rows and I only used 3.5 packs of the hair. Don't forget to check the description box for the link to this hair and all the products I used for the style. I really hope you guys found this tutorial helpful. This was only my second time doing mini twists, but I love this hairstyle so much. So if you are a mini twist girly and you have any tips on how I can do better, then please leave them in the comment section below. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me. Don't forget to like the video if you did and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. Thank you guys so much for watching.